you lost your job and you really need to make some money, or maybe you have a job and you're just tired of it, you're tired of your boss breathing down your neck, well, this video is for you. My name is Karen, and in this video, you'll learn 9 ways you can make $800 per week with no job. And anybody can do these, I promise you. If you stick around until the end, number 9 is my favorite because I love flipping things, especially when I get them for free. And we're getting started right now. Okay, the first thing I wanted to talk to you about is a website called clarity.fm. Let's go ahead and take a look here. But this website you can go to and offer your expertise and get paid per minute, and you'll do this over the phone. So let's take a look at the categories here. If you have any advice that you can give people in these areas, then you can go ahead and sign up here. Let's take a look at how much people get paid just for sales and marketing, anywhere from $8 to $2 per minute. So it's pretty much anything that you have knowledge on. We're going to type in here physical therapy because that's my background, and see what people get paid. This person is charging $167, $2, looks like all the way up to $5 per minute. So if this person talked to somebody for 30 minutes, they'd get paid $150. That's really good money. And I give people advice all the time about back pain, my friends, family, coworkers, but I could get paid here if somebody had a question about back pain. And definitely check this site out if you have some knowledge in some of these areas. And then, of course, there can be other skills that you may have that you can consult with people with on the phone. So definitely check this out. Second thing I want to talk to you about is focus groups. There's a website called focusgroups.org. Now, I used to do focus groups a while back, and I know one of them was for dog food, and I got paid $100. I know they paid me in cash. I remember that. But I haven't done focus groups in quite a while. But if you go to this site here, you can see some of the top cities that they serve. But how it works is you sign up for free, and then there's different categories that you can browse through. You can apply to be a part of a focus group. Then you see if your application is approved, and you're going to get paid either Visa card or check. But I went ahead and signed up here. I live in Las Vegas. And let's take a look at some of the focus groups and how much you can get paid. Now, some of them are not just one afternoon or one day. They're more than that, the ones that pay you more. But you can see the different categories here and how much you would get paid. Focus group on social media, that sounds interesting, $100. These are actually national, it looks like. Eczema, food products. This is for doctors on mental health. There was one that I thought was very interesting, online focus group on laundry products. And I think that one was over 6 days, and you do it online. Kitchen appliances. So they have good payouts on here. And it's really actually interesting to do because these companies need your opinion, and they're paying you for your opinion. So definitely check that out, focusgroups.org. Next thing is, if you enjoy animals, I have a friend who does dog walking and pet sitting full-time. And pet sitting is something really good if you, again, enjoy animals. I know when I went out of town, I would pay somebody $25 per night to take care of our dogs in their home. And you'll get paid more than that if you go to their home. But a place that you can go is care.com. And you just go here. You can be your own independent contractor. Click on pet care, individual, and then just sign up here. But in somebody's home, you could get paid like maybe $30 to $40 per night. So possibly, like if somebody's out of town for a week, you went to their house and took care of their animals, you could get paid like maybe $200 in a week, which for me, that would definitely be worth it because we're going to be going out of town in September, and I have a Mastiff that is old, and we have to help her up off the ground, and I definitely don't want to take her and board her, so I'm going to be looking for somebody to come to my house and take care of her. So if you enjoy pets, again, check out care.com. Next thing is to become a transcriptionist, and a great website that you can go to is allegis transcription.com. And it says jobs, but you're going to be an independent contractor. And what you do is you listen to audio and then you transcribe it, you type it out, what you hear. And of course you want to do it accurately and want to be good at typing so that it doesn't take you a long time to do this. Now, all you would do is just click on transcription jobs, read through here, and then you can see insurance transcriptionist. You're going to be an independent contractor, entry-level transcriptionist. So you would be doing all this from home. So it's a really great site to check out. Next thing is Instacart and Uber Eats. Instacart is where you go shopping for someone. And I think these days, definitely people are not wanting to get out as much. So this would be something good that you could do. And then Uber Eats, my husband does this, and definitely I know you can get paid $800 per week because he does. He works during the week like 10 to 2. He gets up, plays tennis, works from 10 to 2, takes a 2-hour break, and he works from 4 to 8. And during the week he gets paid $100 to $125 a day. On the weekends he works a little bit more, and he'll make anywhere from $150 to sometimes close to $200. So I know he does make $800 a week. If he worked more, he could make more. And it's great because you can set your own hours. If you need to take a break, go play some tennis, go work out, take a walk, you can do that and then get back to work and just turn your app back on. So I wanted to mention that because that is really a great way to make money. The next thing I want to talk to you about is showaround.com. If we go here, this website is if you want to show people around your town. You can get paid to do that, and you can see people do it anywhere from free to $25 an hour, $30 an hour. And so if you're somebody who likes to get out and socialize and show people around or just show them different sites in the area that you live in, this would be a great option for you. So go ahead definitely and check out showaround.com. Next thing you could do is freelance writing. If you enjoy writing, or you can learn to be good at writing. There's 3 different sites that you can go to. The first one is textbroker.com, and they're going to rate you on here. I signed up for this one as well, but you'll get paid up to 5 cents per minute. I think is where it was if you were they rated you at 5 stars. Yeah, so if you're 5 stars, you get 5 cents per word, so that definitely can add up. The next place you can look for work is on Upwork as a freelancer. You can see I've hired quite a few people on this website. And then the other place is peopleperhour.com, and you just go here and become a freelancer. So if you enjoy writing, definitely check that out. You can also be a product reviewer. You can do this on YouTube, and you can also do it on a blog. I have a lot of review videos on my YouTube channel, and I've made a lot of money by reviewing products. I wanted to share with you a YouTube channel here, Internet Marketing Reviews. It's Aaron Chen. He has actually 2 channels that he just does reviews. Now I know that he doesn't make money directly by putting a link in the description. He builds his email list, and then he makes money through affiliate marketing that way. But if you were going to do like a channel all around a specific physical product, you could put a link to an Amazon product and make money that way. But definitely this is a great way, is Internet Marketing Reviews, and I know he makes a lot of money through his YouTube channels. Obviously, if he has more than one channel, he's making some really good money. And then, of course, you can do blogging, and I actually found this article today about best dog beds by Forbes. And basically what they're just doing is writing out what people have reviewed on these dog beds. And then if we scroll down, you can see they have links to purchase these dog beds on Amazon. And it goes all the way up to the Big Barker dog bed is like over $200. If we scroll down, let's see. Some of these aren't very much, but this one here is $290. So, you make a certain percentage of that. But this isn't difficult to do. It's just they just wrote out what people had said about them and then put a link and a picture. So it's really easy to do. And again, YouTube, great way to do product reviews, but then also blogging. And then the last thing is my favorite, because you can get all these things for free, is to go to Craigslist.org. And I was looking in my city here in Las Vegas, and it's amazing the things that people give away. And you can turn around and flip these and sell them on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, that puppy's not free, but it sure is cute. Okay, so like, for example, and some of them, obviously, you're going to have to be repaired. But I think this is really good. Somebody would, I think, repurchase or would purchase this from you if you fixed it up. It's located on the second floor, walk-up apartment. So you're going to have to obviously go get these things. But I would say furniture would be something really good to resell. 2 white leather recliners, and you may have to fix them up or clean them. This one I don't think I would buy, or you're not going to buy it, it's free. But let's say you got these dresser, 6-drawer dresser, and you refinished it, or you looked up on YouTube, how do you make something shabby chic? And I've seen a lot of really cool things that people do with furniture when they refinish them. And then you could resell that. You could get this and resell it. There was also some rocks, and people pay good money for rocks. They're giving these away. They just want you to haul them off. Shoes, you could resell these. So old recliner just needs a little cleaning. You could clean that up and resell it and flip it on Facebook Marketplace. These are some things that I sold when I was moving, but anytime that I've listed anything on Facebook, I always get like messages right away. You can see I sold some china cabinets, some beds, a car. What was that? That was our Sorrento. And then a gas stove. That went really fast. But obviously you're not going to charge a whole lot, but it's going to be more volume and your time and just being resourceful and doing a lot of hustle. But you definitely can make some good money flipping things, because like this antique sleigh bed, I don't even know why people give things away, but they just want to have them hauled off. And so you can find some really good things like this entertainment center. You could totally refinish that and resell it. So that definitely is a great way that you can make money. Hey, I hope one of these, or even more than one of these, you can combine and be able to make $800 per week with no job. It's great to be able to work for yourself and not have to worry about having a boss breathing down your neck, right? So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, give it a like. That really helps the video. Also, if you want to learn more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check that out if you like. If you like this video, I think you'll really like these 2 videos coming up: how to make money on YouTube and how to make 92% commissions with affiliate marketing. And those are getting started right now.